Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Welcome to the 6th day of Christmas here at the Smart Woodshop. I have chosen 12 gifts, perfect gifts for that woodworker, carpenter in your life. And each day I'm revealing the next gift. And today is gift number 6. All of these gifts are under $50. They're all tools that if I didn't have them, I would go out and buy them immediately. They're tools that I have in my shop and that I use daily. Today's gift, kind of simple, but this one is very special. This is a push block. This is what keeps you safe at the table saw. I have made numerous push blocks. I have purchased numerous push blocks, tried all different kinds, and they all work to a certain level, and some of them are specialty for certain things. But for day in and day out, when I discovered these, they're the one that I go with. What I like about them is the handle is offset toward the fence, away from the blade, and the hook it has on the edge, it's very narrow, so it'll fit for even some of the thinnest rips without cutting it on the table saw. It has a rubber base on it, so it's grippy, as well as the hook on the end. And the handle is not only to the inside, but it's leaning forward. So this gives you that perfect ergonomics for pushing material through the table saw. Let's go to the table saw and I'll show you what I mean. The Hedge Hog Push Block, by far the best push block that I've ever used. It's about $25, and I will put a link to it in the description of this video down below. It's an affiliate link. Also, it's in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com. Be sure to drop by tomorrow for the 7th day of Christmas at the Smart Woodshop. Merry Christmas.